Under the subject of quality, reliability and engineering of a degree semester 7 mechanical engineering department, today we are going to see the experiment number 1, which is to study about quality circle. So first of all, let us understand what is the quality circle. So quality circle is a small group of employees who voluntarily come together at regular intervals to identify, analyze and solve work related problems. So basically it is a participative management techniques, means we are taking the different persons from a same group which are involved in the same work, and we are trying to form a group which can solve their daily work related problems. So it will encourage the employees to give their opinions and their suggestions related to the work related problems. That is why it is called participative management technique. So the concept was originated in Japan in early 1960s and was later adopted worldwide as a part of total quality management TQM. So first of all, features of a quality circle. In features of a quality circle, first one is voluntary participation. As I have said, the members will join willingly so they can contribute towards the problem solving techniques. A small group of size, usually it is 6 to 12 members. Regular meetings, generally once a week or fortnight. Focus on work related issues. That is why the group is formed in a such a way who are aware about the issues or daily work related issues. So these are some examples like quality, safety, cost, productivity. Such work related issues will be tried to solve. Another one is training and leadership. So members are trained in the problem solving tools, and one in that group acts as a leader. This as I would like to say that the support from top management is the most important features of a quality circle, because if management is not supporting this activity, then the uh, employees will be discouraged as the suggestions given by them will not be considered. That is why the main features of a quality circle will be considered as a support from the management. So encouragement and recognition from the top management is an essential part of a quality circle. So now let's understand what are the steps of a quality circle. First is problem identification. It is obvious the members who are which are meeting daily, they means meeting a scheduled time. They will first try to identify the problems of their work area. Then they will select any one problem at a time, because there may be so many problems at a specific work related area, but they will try to solve one by one. So first they will select the problem, then they will analyze that particular problem by collecting and analyzing the data related to quality, like cause and effect diagram, Pareto chart. By these techniques, they will able to understand what is the what is the real problem in that particular area selected. So they will carry out the brainstorming sessions to identify the what are the possible solutions or what are the alternative solutions for a particular problem. Then they will present this to the management. As I mentioned earlier, that the encouragement and recognition from the management is the essential. So when the solution is generated for any particular problem, the same thing must be presented to the management, so they can decide or they can take the decision to implement that particular solution or not. So based on the approval of the management, the final solution will be approved and be implemented. Then we will review as once the solution have been implemented, so the task is not over. We have just implemented the solution, then we need to see that that particular problem may not arise again. So for that a review should be carried out. Then benefits of quality circle. These are benefits are bifurcated based on the employees as well as for the organization. So for employees, job satisfaction will be increased. They will motivate. to contribute toward that particular area, develop teamwork, communication skills, enhance problem solving ability, and for organization also the it will improve the product or service quality. Then another one is reduce wastages, rework and cost. Another one is boost productivity and efficiency. And the last one is it strengthens employee management relations. Why? Because the management is encouraging the employees to participate in the problem solving techniques, or you can say problem solving area. So their relationship will be in a positive direction, that employees will come across the feelings that management is listening to their suggestions, and uh, management will also able to convince that particular work related group that their solutions are beneficial and their suggestions are important for the organization. There are limitations for the quality circle. First one is that requires continuous management support, as I mentioned earlier also, that the commitment of the management is the most essential part of the quality circle. Another one is success depends on employee interest and participation. Another one is may take time to show measurable results. It is that one particular solution which they have adopted, after implementing that, the results of that particular implementation may take some time to show up the results. So that is the speed of showing the results is a little bit less. The conclusion is quality circle are an effective tool for continuous improvement and employee involvement. It fosters teamwork, creativity, and a sense of ownership among employees, leading to the culture of quality through participation. So this is our first experiment to study about the quality circle. So these all discussions about the quality circle. This quality circle can be implemented in many areas where a group of people can meet and solve their work related problems.